Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most exclusive, most luxurious, and most inspiring homes in the United States. Make sure to subscribe right now to join our community of dream home lovers and explore properties that redefine luxury living. Today, we are taking you inside one of the most extraordinary and expensive estates in Boca Raton, Florida, a brand new $29.75 million masterpiece located at 207 West Coconut Palm Road. This waterfront mega mansion is more than just a home, it is a statement of architectural brilliance, design innovation, and ultimate luxury. As we approach the front of the property, the contemporary design immediately captures your attention. The modern lines, expansive glass, and tropical landscaping create an elegant yet powerful entrance. With a wide driveway and perfectly manicured palms, the home makes an unforgettable first impression. Step inside and you are greeted by soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Natural light floods every corner, highlighting the finest finishes and materials sourced from around the world. This estate features over 9,100 square feet of living space spread across 7 luxurious bedrooms and 10 stunning bathrooms. Each space has been carefully designed by Michael Gray Interiors with architecture by the world-renowned Affinity Architects. Every detail speaks of sophistication and thoughtful craftsmanship. The first-floor primary suite is truly a sanctuary. With its private terrace overlooking the Butterfly Palm Waterway, this bedroom offers ultimate serenity. The suite includes dual spa-inspired bathrooms wrapped in Italian travertine, boutique-style walk-in closets, and a layout that combines privacy with elegance. Moving through the home, you discover a chic clubroom complete with a custom courtside bar, a stylish home office perfect for productivity, and a formal dining area featuring a 252-bottle temperature-controlled wine display. This dining room is the perfect setting for entertaining guests while enjoying the breathtaking water views. The open-concept family kitchen is an entertainer's dream. Designed with exotic Patagonia quartzite surfaces, Cristallo stone island, and integrated stone front drawers, it seamlessly combines functionality with high-end design. In addition to the main kitchen, there is a separate chef's kitchen and an extra 150-bottle wine storage area, ensuring every culinary experience is effortless and memorable. The living areas flow naturally into the outdoor spaces where the magic of South Florida living comes alive. Step outside to find expansive terraces, a sleek infinity edge pool, and 101 feet of direct frontage along the prestigious Butterfly Palm Waterway. Whether you are enjoying a quiet sunset evening or hosting a grand celebration, this outdoor paradise delivers unforgettable moments with every glance at the sparkling water. On the upper level, 2 VIP guest bedrooms provide panoramic waterway views with access to the terrace. Additional guest suites, a private gym, and a serene massage room complete the second floor, making this mansion a true resort-style retreat. Each room has been crafted to deliver comfort, style, and breathtaking visuals. The interiors are complemented by cutting-edge smart home technology, ensuring convenience and control at your fingertips. Beyond the beauty of the interiors and exteriors, the home also includes a luxury garage designed to house multiple high-end vehicles. The polished floors and modern lighting make it the perfect display space for a collector's dream lineup of cars. This property is a complete lifestyle package, combining elegance, wellness, entertainment, and ultimate comfort. Listed exclusively by David Roberts of Royal Palm Properties, this $29.75 million estate is one of the crown jewels of Boca Raton's luxury real estate market. Developed by Matthew Epstein of Primark Partners, it represents a new benchmark in waterfront elegance and modern architecture. Every angle, every finish, and every room has been carefully executed to offer a truly world-class living experience. For those who dream of living a life surrounded by opulence, this estate is the definition of success and refinement. The blend of natural elements, luxury design, and Florida waterfront lifestyle makes this mansion one of the most desirable properties available today. It is not just a home, it is an experience, a retreat, and a statement of what modern luxury can achieve. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour of one of the most expensive and luxurious properties in America. This has been American Dream Mansions, your channel for exploring extraordinary homes across the nation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with anyone who loves luxury living. Stay tuned for more incredible tours that inspire your dream home journey.